Fanfuel Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Fanfuel Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to fanfuel.co, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Fanfuel, it is an affiliate network owned by Wolfson Brands, specializing in Nutra products and offering high commissions, real-time data, and funnel optimization for affiliate marketers. And aside from that, this platform aims to provide a transparent and honest network that puts affiliate pros offering various benefits such as commission on every repeat order for life, no middleman payouts, and live real-time data and access to in-house resources and tools. And to join to their affiliate program, you will see on the top panel some of the options including Home, Affiliates, Brands, the Challenge, About, and Blog. And if you click on Affiliates, it will show you some of the benefit of joining to their affiliate program. And some of those benefits including a weekly payouts, in which you will be able to withdraw your earnings every week of the month, and also repeat customer commissions for life, which is also guaranteed as a benefits of joining to this affiliate program. And lastly, they offer a huge 50% commissions. And below here, you will see that Fanfuel is reshaping affiliate marketing to bring you bigger commissions, and also a quicker payouts, bonuses galore, in-demand products, plus so much more on the agenda. And aside from that, to earn more commission, it says here, but by bringing new affiliates to Fanfuel, you can earn 10% on their commissions too. And aside from that detail, below here, you can also see the transparent merchant direct partnership, and below here are some of the features that they also offer, including work directly with a brand to improve visibility, take control, direct input into brand development, and also enhance commissions to stop paying middleman affiliate networks, and more frequent payouts, get paid weekly, on time, and guaranteed. And it is also a new affiliate friendly, in which it will keep your commission, and it also offers a payout on refunds and chargebacks. And aside from those features, they also offer a standard affiliate links, a geo-redirect links, an IP-based and fingerprinting, customers assigned for life, and easy to set up post-back, and they also offer an honest third-party tracking, in which those features can also be used to earn more commission on this affiliate program of Fanfuel. And now, aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you other details including this first click fair attribution, in which it is an attribution model that used in marketing that assigns 100% of the credit for the sale to the first touch point in the customer journey. And below, you will see how it works, in which the first step is to introduce a potential customer to the brand. And after that, when they visit other affiliate sites before purchase, and after that, you will still get the full commission and you will not get loss on sales. So in other words, in this model, the first interaction a customer has with a brand is given the most credit for the sale, regardless of whether that interaction directly led to the sale or not, in which it is also a good thing to know before joining to this affiliate program. Now from here, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the other details including the optimized landing pages, in which it is a kind of web pages that have been strategically designed and modified to improve their performance in terms of user engagement and conversion rates. And aside from that, below here, you will see the in-depth reporting that you can access a fast real-time reporting on all the metrics that matter, in which you can even schedule the regular reports to save you time and streamline your business processes. And aside from that, below that info, you will see here the Retargeting Hot Leads, in which it is a marketing strategy that involves targeting individuals who have already shown an interest in a product or service. In which below, you will see here the 5 steps. The first one is you send a traffic. Then after that, they will pixel every visitor you send, and if some of your traffic doesn't convert, they will chase them with retargeting ads, and after that, you will still get or earn a commission when they buy. And aside from that, before joining to the affiliate program, you also need to know that their free service and 24/7 support are always open 24 hours, in which individuals can access help and assistance at any time, regardless of the day or time, in which this can be crucial for individuals in crisis who may need an immediate support or assistance. And below are the list of services that they provide for free, including dedicated affiliate manager, courses and tutorials, website audit, suite of tools, translations, and unique creatives, in which below each services that they offer, you will see the overview or the additional information about those services. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you that you can build your own networks and earn more with tiered referrals. And to do that, all you need to do is to click the Sign Up Now button below. Now moving on, if you scroll down below here and you have other concerns or questions that you would like to ask, just proceed by clicking this FAQ or Contact Us to see the answer to your question or to raise your concerns, in which under this FAQ, by clicking any of this question, it will show you the corresponding answers. And as you can see here, each question have different kind of section or category, such as a question in terms of joining, in terms of affiliate and traffic partner marketing, and many more. And now that we know some of the information that we need to consider before joining to the affiliate program, we can now proceed by joining to the affiliate program by simply clicking this logo, Fanfuel, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and just proceed by clicking this Join Now button below. And you will be directed here, and from here to join to the affiliate program, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as your first name, last name, email address, email confirmation, phone number, your company name or website name if you have one, and after that below, you're also required to enter your address, including your city, your postal code, and also from here you can select your country. And after filling out the personal info, from here, you're also required to enter the additional information such as your Skype email or ID, and you can select your payout currency, and below just simply answer some of their questions, including what is your marketing experience to date, which offers are you interested in promoting, and other kind of question below here that you are also required to answer in joining to the affiliate program. And after answering or filling out all of the required information, the next thing that you need to do is to scroll down in this terms and condition down to its last context, and after that you can now proceed by clicking or checking these boxes that indicate that you agree to the terms and condition of Fanfuel. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Apply button below to submit your application. And after submitting your application, the Fanfuel support will contact you if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program or if you are eligible to promote their platform, in which they will send you an email indicating that you are eligible, and it will also show you the step-by-step process on how to promote their platform. So that is just how you can join the Fanfuel affiliate program. Thank you.